Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily repair your iOS system. So for doing this you just need to download and install this app. Here you can see Doctor Phone, and just after you download it and install on your computer, you need to click on it and just download the latest package for it, and it will open your option. So here you can see it. So it's our restoration. So what you can also do here in standard mode: retain data, fix over 20 iOS problems such as black screen of death, stuck on Apple logo, and stuck in recovery mode. And second, fix more iOS problems but erase all device data. You can use this mode when you failed to fix iOS problems in standard mode. So you just choose what you want, but also you need to know that in first package it doesn't remove all the info, but in second it will erase all the data from your phone. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.